This is the last time she'll ever go camping.
What do you think so far? You say that because I've seen like 3 snakes.
Yeah.
I've never camped outside. I'm gonna be camping for the first time and I feel so unprepared. We're going with Tyler and a couple of his friends. Definitely gonna be relying on them. But like I'm trying to think too of like what I need. He's just like, oh, you just need a sleeping bag and like some toiletries. Can you people like tell me, do they do skincare when they camp? I feel like a fish out of water. I don't know. I started packing. Today's Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll leave Friday morning, potentially. So I'm just gonna show you what I have. Luckily, I had a sleeping bag. I found this sleeping pad, a Patagonia windbreaker rain jacket, because it might rain. Maybe bringing a down jacket. Duh, sunscreen, bug spray, nail clippers? I don't know, maybe? Okay, so this is the part that is importante. The cosmetics, the skincare, this is the stuff that I know none of the guys are bringing. None. I have a toner. Serum. These are like little travel serums. Day cream. And then maybe a night cream. Night cream too. Face cleaning stuff. I feel like I'm gonna have to do this at least a couple of times because it just gets like dusty down there, right? I'm bringing 2. That might be overkill. This is literally just for one night. I guess it's like the really thing that like kind of freaks me out is sleeping outside. It's like the unknown could happen. I don't know, get bitten by something. There's like so much stuff that could potentially go wrong. But anyway, keeping positive thoughts on the situation.
Take a walk on the wild side and colorful segment.
Toilet paper? Is that enough?
It's thick. The real question is how are we gonna fit my sleeping bag, which is so big, because I don't have real camping gear. Wow. Need some brown rice, black beans that are frozen, some salsa, peppers, and chicken. Then we're gonna make some burritos, and I need some granola to snack on. And then we're gonna bring some bourbon and a lime. I need to remember about lime. So that's the food we're bringing. See if I cannot spill this. Is it just for us?
That's fine. Just bring that. That'll be plenty.
That's plenty.
Like, we won't go through it all. Is it gonna be weird if we have to?
Good morning, it's the next day. So we are packed and ready to go. It was an ordeal to get all the stuff in, but we did. 2-hour drive and we gotta pick up some people.
How did that guy make it through?
That's scary.
It
literally is just fits it. Didn't they have their hazard lights on?
Now,
I thought they were part of the stopped people.
I say we shouldn't do one of those like zigzag things that you do sometimes on the expressway while I'm here.
One of these?
You know, it could have just been like a trying to warn you, but
No,
Could have been, yeah.
it wasn't. Is she gonna walk that?
it just doesn't taste the same. Although no, it tastes creaky.
Can't be that. Damn it.
Why?
I have a container.
Here's a nice one. It's pretty nice. You got little chairs here. That's pretty cool. Been a lot of fallen down trees, like even more than this before. It looks really crazy. Our makeshift creek cooler. A lot of wood.
That's what she said. I actually saved my dryer lint for.
Oh, that's so smart. Got the onions going there. Beans and chicken going here. The rice. And our salsa and tortillas. Burrito time.
I don't think that was a one isolated incident. Doesn't mean I don't like the song. No.
Morning. New day. It's really cold outside. Doing ulterior methods now. Faster coffee. Safety, make sure your fire is completely out. Trash. With your ice pack. Ice your foot.
Why?
Because you need to.
Are you gonna pick that up and film me?
No. All right, we're back from camping. We made it. No rain and slight injuries, but we're alive. Final thoughts. Camping is fun, but it's very tiring. You definitely need a plan ahead. And if you're not prepared, then it's less fun. But we saw some stars. I wasn't able to catch that. And plus, like, I didn't bring the camera, but you can't really see, it doesn't do it justice. And that was really cool. I love bonfires, so that was also a highlight. The gorge is all like beautiful, and I've hiked it before. The gorge is gorgeous, but I guess it's super nice to like wake up and then be able to enjoy it. And we picked a pretty good camp spot. And then like yesterday was like a really nice day. Not that many bugs because it's like early spring. I think overall, like, yeah. A plus. A plus. Okay. A plus. Tyler's over there like looking at me like he's just very curious to know what my thoughts are. But I do think that it's not something that like you can, for me, that I can just do on the whim. Like I really need to like be prepared for it. Mentally ready and physically. I didn't get to sleep that much in the tent. It did get cold. It did get to like 50-ish degrees at night. And I wish I like had brought a hat. But other than that, we brought enough water. That was a very actually big concern. But we brought enough water. We made it. And yeah, just wanted to share with you my first camping experience ever. And yeah, that's it.